Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. I know at first glance my kitchen doesn't really look that dirty, but it just needs a good scrub down with some Lysol, and then my stainless steel appliances need to be cleaned as well.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave.
These are all the products that I'm going to be using to clean today. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean my glass cooktop. This thing gets so gross. I swear every time I cook, I burn something onto the stove. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub that off.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And here I'm just rubbing it in so that it's evenly saturated all over my cooktop. While I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my microwave. And honestly, our microwave is not that dirty for living here for 4 months now. But I'm just gonna be taking some lemongrass, orange, and lavender essential oils, 2 drops of each and a cup of water. And then I'm gonna microwave this on high for 3 minutes. Now that my stovetop got to sit for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and scrub it. And for some reason the product started getting really hard, so I went over it with some multi-purpose spray, and I did end up having to go over the one burner one more time.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
This video is actually sponsored by OdorKlenz, and OdorKlenz products have changed the way I clean for the better, you guys. I swear by them. They are amazing. They are made from safe earth minerals. They're non-toxic, so they're super safe to use around your family. They utilize patent technology that actually removes odors at the source, and there's no masking agents as well. And honestly, you guys, these are just quick and easy products to use. I swear by them, they are amazing. We had some funky odor happening in our garbage disposal, so this sink and disposal cleaner really got rid of our odors in our garbage disposal, and I'm just super happy with how this product worked out. And basically, to use this, all you're gonna do is pour a little bit of the product down the drain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then you're gonna run your water and your garbage disposal at the same time to get that product all up in there. And then you're gonna turn your garbage disposal off, leave the water running, and then you're just gonna pour a little bit more product in. And that's how easy these products are to use, you guys. They seriously have changed my cleaning game for the better.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Once my microwave has sat for a little while, because you want to leave it for about 5 minutes to let the steam really get all that stuff out, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it out, and then I'm just going to clean the little microwave dish in the sink. And now I'm going to go ahead and clean off all of my stainless steel appliances. I swear these things get so gross for my kids, but that's totally okay. And my favorite thing to use is the Method stainless steel cleaner.
Never seem to let go. I've got heaven and hell on my shoulders. Fighting over who will take over now. I'm just trying to find my way home. My way home. The voices in my head are saying way too much.
And then taking some Lysol spray. I don't usually use this every day, but I like to use this once a week just to really clean and disinfect my countertops.
But I don't mind, yeah, I'm alive. Drowning in my dreams, but my dreams they tend to blur into reality, to reality. A familiar scene. The truth is that I never know who I will be, who I'll be. I've got heaven and hell on my shoulders. They're fighting over who will take over now. I'm just trying to find my way home, my way home. The voices in my head are saying way too much, but I don't mind, yeah, I'm alive. They're pushing and they're pulling till I'm had enough, but I don't mind, yeah. But I don't mind, yeah, I'm
quickly go ahead and dust off the top of our refrigerator. I just felt like it needed to be done. And then I'm going to take some Clorox wipes or disinfectant wipes, and I'm going to clean off the surfaces of the cabinets as well as the handles and knobs. And just a disclaimer, I know my voice sounds really scratchy. I'm actually sick right now and I'm not feeling the best, but I needed to get these voiceovers done, so just bear with me.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything.
And then I felt like the pantry and laundry room doors just needed a good scrub down as well, so I just went ahead and did that.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go.
Moving on to the floors, I haven't mopped these floors in so long, you guys. I don't know what it is, but these floors, they don't really show as much stuff as our old floors did in our old house, so I feel like I don't have to mop them as much, but then I get really lazy with it and I just don't do it at all. So it's such a bad habit, but it really needed to be done. So I am just using my little wet jet Swiffer thingamabob and I am just cleaning the floors. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I know it wasn't like super duper clean with me, but I just needed a good scrub down and disinfectant of my kitchen. I just felt like it was really dirty. Not to the eye, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out OdorKlenz products down below. I will leave links as well as a coupon code for you guys as well.
Take control over your body and over your soul.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it